Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today this video is a part of a blog hop going on to celebrate Trinity Stamp's autumn release. And this is so beautiful. There are a lot of fun projects being showcased today and also a lot of fun products being released. So please go on to my blog and you can hop along to see all the other amazing designers creating great products with this awesome release. For my project today, I will actually use a stamp set called Forest Friends, and I really love this one. I created a simple background just using some distress inks. I used antique linen and cracked pistachio, and this is probably one of my most used color combinations ever. I really like to have it as a focal point. And for my blending, I used the new blending buddies from Trinity Stamps. This is the one with the white bristles, and that is something I really like. So I will actually have one of these blending buddies for every color family, and I can just switch out the ones with the ones I want to use. So for me that is really a good feature. I can just grab a brush and see which color it is. And I also love that it comes with a cap. If you haven't seen that, it's really amazing. So that is some of the good sides with these brushes, and they go on so smoothly, all the inks. So you can see I created quite a simple scene here. I love the fox and the little, I think it's a reindeer, right? I think so. And all the pumpkins and some of the leaf from this image, or sorry, from this stamp set. And just to create a little bit more interest, I popped it up with some foam adhesive. You can see my big mama rule over there. And I used some bits and pieces, just tearing the adhesive. I really like this kind of adhesive just for stuff like this. So I'm fiddling around with the placement of my pumpkins there. I want the foxtail to be on the front part of this, not to hide that little cute tail. And then I want some more, like, I think it's red mushrooms and some other bits and pieces here. I'm just trying to create like a good balance in the card. And since I have that reindeer to the left, I wanted something to balance it, so I used the leaf to the right. And for my sentiment, I will use another one that is new for this release called Autumn Sentiment, and it's really amazing. It pretty much covers every occasion in fall, I think. So for me, this would be a must-have. And you can see this is a trick that I'm using at the moment, where I'm just placing my sentiment against the misty, and then I'm getting it straight. And then I can also cut a really thin strip with my cutting machine. I don't know what it's called at the moment. I don't know why I'm struggling with my words today. But anyway, so this is how my simple project turned out. If you want to see more projects from me, please visit my blog, and I have some more for you over there and still shots of this. And you can also hop along to get even more inspiration and fun projects. So until next time, have a great day. Bye!